Shubor nakaslem jong Nongshna Hima.
Ha ka Jingïarap jong ka kanhun menteri ka balalong minta kasni ha Shillong ka sarkar Jylla Meghalaya kalashim ya karai ka badan ka jingmut ban pentre kam no shisundan ya ka Meghalaya Film Tourism Policy kane ka policy kadai ka balapan kre ban ai Jingïarap pat ban kentiu shakmat iki kam shna Phlim ha ka Jylla da ka ba ai jingkarshan da ki subsidy ya ki Nongshna Phlim Habaya keren merkilat pathai kubor hadin balawai ke Jingïarap menteri beripet ya katanat kam jengok kai perthai uba pol lingdo ulapan pau baka sarkar kala bishar benia bat shim jingmut na ki badan ha ka kam Phlim bat ki wei pat ki badan benta ha ka draft Meghalaya film policy kabala bu sundan ka rukom trei kam ka bakhadu uba pol ula ongru ba kani ka policy kadai ka sinjam bakrau jong ka sarkar ban kentiu ya ka Jylla kum ka jaka bala bante ya ka kam shna Phlim bat penmi ekilat ai kam ai jam ya ki samla jong ka Jylla ula ongru ba Lyngba kani ka policy ulala ban kring ru ya ki Nongshna Phlim na keleng kari ban wanra ya ka kam shna Phlim sha Meghalaya namar ka Jylla kadan bun ki jaka ki ba itanat bat ki bala ban long ki jaka ban shna Phlim bapau.
And this is a landmark decision. I'm glad to share with you that the cabinet today has approved the Meghalaya Film Tourism Policy 2025. You may recall that about 3 months back, the state government, in the presence of the Honorable Chief Minister and myself, had released the Meghalaya Draft Film Tourism Policy 2025, where we had given a clarion call to all stakeholders to come forward, study the draft and give us their valuable inputs. We are happy to share with you that we received over 200 such inputs from various stakeholders who are interested in the film industry and more especially from local film makers and film producers. So having taken the various inputs and incorporated the same in this policy, today we brought the policy before the cabinet. There was a very detailed and intense discussion, after which the cabinet had approved this policy. Now, in the first place, why was there a need for this policy? The Meghalaya Film Tourism Policy seeks to focus on the fact that Meghalaya has huge potential to attract filmmakers from across the world. We would like to promote national and international films, media productions, also to establish Meghalaya as a hub for film making in the northeast and to develop a robust infrastructure for across the state. Films made in major national languages and even international languages, which have the potential to push Meghalaya's tourism sector, will receive subsidy support of up to 1 crore rupees or 25% of the total cost of the film. And to qualify for that, they need to have at least 75% of the total shooting days within the state of Meghalaya, and that too outdoors, meaning they should depict, project our natural beauty and tourism destinations, both known and unknown. We also are supporting local cinema, and I'm happy to share with you that local film producers in Khasi Panar and Garo languages will be allocated subsidy support of 50 lakhs, for which each filmmaker will avail this incentive once every 2 years. There will also be support for the making and production of TV serials and shows, web series and original shows to be displayed on OTT platforms. You may be aware that we have our own Hello Meghalaya app, which is the only government-funded OTT platform in the country. There will be grants for documentary films shot in Meghalaya, grants for short films shot in Meghalaya, financial subsidy and infrastructure development. We are also coming up with a film studio, and all of these various interventions will be scrutinized at the level of this committee, which I had mentioned to you, the Film Facilitation Cell. So I would request all of you to kindly obtain copies of this policy and also disseminate this information to the general public. But this is a major step forward in ensuring that we open up Meghalaya in a huge way through film tourism. Are supporting local film industry, one. Two, we are also incentivizing national films, say films shot in major national languages, whenever they come to Meghalaya, and as I mentioned, the number of days, we will be providing subsidy support where they qualify by having at least 75% of the total shooting days here in Meghalaya. And as you are aware, we also have announced the creation of film studio, and to also support private individuals. We have in fact repeatedly called for interested filmmakers to participate. There is an online application system. All details are in this.